Here is the ticketing machine where you can buy ticket if you're traveling here in Switzerland. And there are some option language like French and English. If you're foreigner here, you can use English, and then you can use also card when you're buying if you don't have cash. We have the Twin, PostFinance, Maestro, Pay, and then MasterCard, Visa, American Express, JVC. So that's all. Now I'm going to buy ticket now. So I'm going to show you how it works. Okay. So it's in French, and then I'm going to type my destination. So I'm going to this place. So sometimes once you type 3 letters, it will appear your destination, your decided destination. So it's here, and then depart immediate. And this is some places where the train will pass, and then there are some information because of the work in progress. Let's say choose mobili via individual, so it's just single ticket. And then I'm going to choose second class because this train there is no first class, and I have yearly abonnement, so I will choose Dumi tariff, means to say I'm paying half fare, because I have abonnement for 1 year. I pay 180 for 1 year, so once every time I buy a ticket I just pay half. So let's check. So you can pay euro or Swiss francs. So usually I buy online if I'm in a hurry, but this time I have enough time and I want to get rid my coins because it's too heavy. So let's pay now. And there it is. It will drop there. We just wait for a moment. It's not enough. I made a mistake. I have to add more to just I owe 20 cents. I didn't pay attention on it, so let me put 20 cents. Okay, now it will come. So there it is, the ticket and my change. So I get my change and my ticket. There it is. Here is my ticket. So this is the other way of how to buy a ticket in Switzerland. But there is another way also. I'm going to take a video